people think that I'm going insane because I'm going insane. Apparently we just walked all over Paris just to find a fucking sheet of paper. Our feet are hurting, like really bad. And this freaking shop just closed! I'm just gonna kill someone. We took the subway. We got stuck. Nothing's moving. We're just really mad right now. It's like things against. It's like the Curse of Cornelius Sigan. We survived one night. On Trace's, one of the oldest legends ever. That's the chance really in Paris. We are to enter the city of Camelot. We're freaking out on the inside. We're not gonna freak out on the outside because people think we're crazy. Like they walked here. They walked this. Oh my god, we're at Camelot. And we still can't believe that we're really at the castle. This is so awesome. This is Camelot. For us, this is Camelot. Camelot exists. We're pretty happy now. Oh my fucking god. It's starting to rain. This is so awesome. Like, we're still at Camelot and we're still freaking out. This is so awesome. I'm still freaking out on the inside. Did I mention that? Yeah, you did, like 3 times. Alright. You need to make me sad. Arthur's gonna marry Gwen.
Make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz
Action.
like a bee. Just the thought that you get drive me wild. You make me smile like the sun that falls like rain, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool.
We should do the bahadaha, yeah?
The bahadaha?
Like we can make it when we're time, like we can do it when we're time. Like do it instead of like doing it, but like like doing it is like that we're able to do it. Can we just film, we should film scenes like of you going and me going. Can we just film scenes of me walking and scenes of you walking?
That makes no sense.